love in her eye. Said she aimed for my chest with love in her eye.
She was walking around with the